Imagine this. 5 billion years from now, our sun swells into a monstrous red giant, exploding outward like an overheated plasma balloon. It's about to swallow Mercury whole, then Venus, and finally turn Earth into a blazing inferno. Even today, the heat is already rising. This is our planet's fiery endgame. But how did we get here? Buckle up for the ultimate time travel journey. From right now, this very second you're watching, all the way to that doomsday moment when the sun becomes too close, too bright, and way too deadly. It's going to be scorching, radioactive, supervolcanic, and absolutely epic. Let's dive in. The next 100 years will be the wildest century in human history. AI exploding, climate tech saving the day, medicine rewriting life itself, and renewables powering everything. But to survive billions of years, we've got to think galactic, because every backyard on Earth will eventually burn. In the next decade, probes blast off to Venus and Europa while humans return to the Moon's south pole, the first boots on lunar soil this century. Within 50 years, you could be living in a moon base or watching Mars rovers from your living room. Fast forward 200 years, thousands of settlers, plus your robotic pets, make Mars their forever home. Back on Earth, we dial down global temperatures while Mars teams fire up a massive greenhouse effect to warm the red planet. Out in the solar system's edge, Pluto will cross Neptune's orbit and get closer to the Sun for about 20 years, just like it does every few centuries. Around the same time, humanity discovers alien life, if it exists, on the subsurface oceans of Enceladus, Europa, Titan, or Triton. We're talking microbes or maybe wild multicellular creatures under the ice. By roughly 2475, after decades of genius-level science, Mars is fully terraformed. Top minds in every field use insane tech to fix the thin air, missing magnetic field, water shortage, and freezing cold. Humans, transhumans, and cyborgs finally walk freely on an Earth-like surface, staring back at our pale blue dot from another planet. Then we spread to asteroids and the giant moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Venus gets cloud cities floating in helium zeppelins, and full terraforming kicks off. By the 26th century, medicine is so advanced that the average lifespan hits 150 years. You'll be golfing on Mars in your golden years. On the big scale, humanity hits Kardashev Type 1 status, harnessing every single watt of energy Earth can produce. Wind, solar, tides, geothermal, nuclear, even biological. Need more power? We go bigger. By 2700 to 2900, Venus is terraformed through mind-blowing solar system engineering, shifting its orbit, building artificial magnetic shields, reshaping the toxic atmosphere, and slamming in comets for oceans. It's like taking the pyramids, Hadron Collider, and space stations and multiplying them 1,000 times. Pure planetary magic. Next, we wrap the Sun in a colossal Dyson Sphere, a mega habitat that captures nearly all its energy, pushing us to Kardashev Type 2 between 3000 and 5000 AD. Humanity leaps into interstellar space inside the Milky Way. To survive the void, we upgrade our bodies with nanotechnology and AI, growing taller in low gravity, eyes adapting to darkness, or even becoming more machine than human. But here's the dark twist. Advanced civilizations often hit the great filter. Some scientists give us only a 95% chance of surviving the next 10,000 years because of rogue AI, power wars, or our own inventions turning against us. If we beat those odds, Earth starts freezing into a new ice age in 100,000 years, followed by a Yellowstone supereruption that blocks the sun and plunges us into volcanic winter. Surviving that, we become a true multiplanetary species and climb to Kardashev Type 3, controlling the entire Milky Way's energy with Dyson spheres around billions of stars. But the universe is full of time bombs. In about 10 million years, the white dwarf in the T-Pyxidus system, just 3,000 light-years away, could explode as a supernova, blasting gamma rays strong enough to destroy Earth's ozone and trigger mass extinction. 50 million years later, Mars' moon Phobos crosses the Roche limit and shatters into a beautiful new ring system. Africa smashes into Europe, raising mountains taller than the Himalayas, while a city-sized asteroid threatens a dinosaur-level impact. We'd better master deflection tech by then. A new supercontinent, Pangaea Proxima, forms, bringing killer mega-monsoons, hyper-hurricanes, and extreme climate chaos. Saturn's iconic rings get sucked into the planet and vanish. 1 billion years from now, the sun brightens dramatically, killing photosynthesis, crashing oxygen levels, and wiping out almost all life. Only anaerobic microbes survive. We'll have to evacuate Earth or literally move the planet to a safer orbit. At 2.5 billion years, the Milky Way collides with the Large Magellanic Cloud in a cosmic fireworks show, followed by the massive Andromeda merger that creates one giant galaxy and a new supermassive black hole. Earth loses every drop of surface water. Finally, at 5 billion years, the Sun fully enters red giant mode. Mercury and Venus are toast. Earth is either swallowed or turned into a lifeless oven. Mars might survive the heat, but only the outer moons of Jupiter and Saturn stay comfy, unless we're chilling inside our personal Dyson spheres. Humanity's only shot? Slip the bonds of our solar system and spread across the stars. We turned alien worlds habitable once. Why stop now? This is the ultimate cosmic story. Drop a comment. Which era would you want to live in? Smash like if this blew your mind, subscribe for more insane future timelines, and hit the bell. We're just getting started. See you in the next billion years.